Hello everybody. On today's video we are going to be talking about S20 Simplicity Bagless Vacuum. So let's get started with the features. To start with, it comes with a long hose that when it's extended it goes to a length of 9 to 10 feet and additional height length when you attach the hose to the wand. Here is your attachment. So it gives you that extra reach to the ceilings, to anything in between, and all the way to the baseboard. It comes with a PET Turbo 2. Let me just put the wand. This is the PET Turbo tool, one of the talking features of this PET vacuum. You attach it to the hose here like this, and you clean it up on the stairs or wherever you want to clean your pet hair or dander. So that's one good talking point about this vacuum. So here it goes. It comes with a combination tool, crevice, and a dusting brush. All in one. Just release this knob and it just goes back. It's a combination tool. It comes with a 35-foot power cord hooked safely to the sturdy hooks here. And you have the on and off switch on the nozzle. Just tap it with your foot and it's good to go. And here is your release button. One tap and it goes all the way down underneath the surfaces for better vacuuming. It comes with LED lights for better illumination at low light settings. Here it is. It comes with a metal brush roll, and it has two rear rubber coated wheels so that it won't leave scratches on the floors. This is a very good vacuum for carpets and rugs, and specifically designed for pet owners. And now we go to the dust bin. That's how you release it. Just click here and it easily comes out. This is the release button to empty your dustbin. It's got a big full capacity dustbin for better storage so that you don't have to keep cleaning the dustbin that often. Just twist and you open the dustbin where you find the electrostatic filter, which can be either washed or replaced, and this you can do it once in a year. Back it goes, and here is your post HEPA filter. Here you have the signs to lock it and unlock it. That's your HEPA filtration that keeps the dust, dander, and allergy particles intact. So you lock it and you put back the dustbin, all with utmost ease. And you have 5 height adjustments for carpet pile height, from low to auto to high to extra high to max. It comes with 5 height adjustment. One of the best features of this vacuum. And that's it pretty much about this compact, very good vacuum that's priced at around $199 and comes with a warranty of 1 year. And that's it on today's video. And do check us out on Friday. It's gonna be a big Friday for sales, as it's a Black Friday. Goodbye. Hope you enjoy this video.